kitchen. Today we are taking you to our Aunt Annie's kitchen to learn a special spicy chicken recipe, the Kanthari Chicken. Special thanks for her for sharing it with us. So let's see what we need and how to make this superb chicken. You need 1 tablespoon Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric, some salt, 4 cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon, 4 cloves, 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3/4 cup of bird's eye chili or Kanthari, 250 grams of shallots, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, and 2 kg of chicken. To start, into a pot adding around 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once it is nice and hot, adding the whole spices and a teaspoon of mustard seeds. After the mustard seeds are crackled, add the shallot and curry leaves. Cook it till it is translucent. Adding salt to cook the onions faster and continue cooking. Onions have become nice and glossy. Now add turmeric powder and continue sautéing it. Now goes in the ginger garlic paste and continue sautéing again. Smells amazing. Next goes in the star of the show, crushed Kanthari. That means bird's eye chili. Sauté for another minute. It's sautéed well. Now we'll be adding the garam masala and mix it well again. And a tablespoon of lemon juice to balance the heat. Mix it well. Now we will add 2 kilograms of chicken bone in. Mix it so all the spices coat the chicken well. After we add the chicken, we'll add a bit more salt. Now goes in 1/2 cup of water. Now mix it well and let it come to a boil. Cover and cook for around 10-15 minutes, medium to high heat. It's time to check. Imagine the aroma. Oh man, it's too good. Reduce the flame and cook for another 10 minutes. Finally, we will open and cook on high for 10 minutes so the chicken absorbs all the gravy. You can have this dish with gravy or a dry roast. It can be enjoyed with rice, paratha or chapati. Looks amazing. Do give it a try. Annie's special Kanthari chicken. Goodbye. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to try.